It was the early 90s. In a small, quiet village. Life was simple. People woke early with the rooster, worked in the fields, and returned home tired but proud. But one young man in his early 20s was different. He was careless, proud, and always chasing fun. He slept late, wasted time with friends, and ignored his parents' words. His father often told him, "Son, life is not a game. Hard work is the only way forward." His mother said softly, "We only want to see you live better than us. Please don't waste your days." But he never listened. He thought, "I am young. I have time. Life will give me everything anyway." One day, life gave him a lesson he would never forget. His father had been sick for months. The doctor had warned, "You must take your medicine 3 times every day. If you miss even once, it could be dangerous. You may lose your ability to walk forever." One afternoon, while working in the fields, his father slipped and injured his leg. He couldn't stand. The time for his medicine had come, but he had forgotten it at home. With pain in his voice, he said to his son, "My son, go quickly. Bring me the medicine. Don't delay." The boy nodded, but on the way he met his friends. They invited him to eat mangoes by the river. He smiled and thought, "There is still time. Father can wait." He laughed, ate, and forgot his father. Hours passed. Meanwhile, his father lay in the field, waiting desperately. His body grew weaker until finally he collapsed, unconscious. Villagers carried him home. When the boy arrived, he saw his father lying still on the bed. The doctor said, "He will live, but it's too late. His body is damaged. He will never walk again." The boy broke down. He cried, "It's my fault. It's all my fault." His mother, with tears in her eyes, said, "You were never serious about life, always careless. And now, because of you, your father has lost his smile forever." Then she spoke the words that cut deep into his soul. "You have sacrificed your father's smile for your own. Now you must sacrifice your smile to bring back his." From that moment, the boy was no longer the same. He worked hard. He studied late into the night under the lantern. He gave up comfort, gave up fun, gave up his own smile, just to bring back his father's. Years passed. His efforts bore fruit. He earned money, saved carefully, and finally took his father to the city. Doctors gave them hope. Through long treatment and care, after many years, the impossible happened. His father stood again. Slowly, step by step, he learned to walk. When the boy saw his father smile, tears filled his eyes. All his sacrifices, all his pain, all his years of struggle were worth it. Because in the end, he brought back not only his father's health, but also his father's smile. And the lesson was clear. Success demands sacrifice.